Hello everyone, Jose J Garcia, real estate investor coach and mentor. So I want to make a quick video here on the spreadsheet, the Let's Do Deals every Tuesday call that we have at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Again, 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time every Tuesday night. Now this Let's Do Deals sheet is more than just a sheet. I wanted to break it down and give you all a little bit more idea of what all benefits from and you can from as well. So, the spreadsheet we put together about a year ago where we were trying to accumulate more and more deals, more opportunities for you all. Whether you're a GMHU student, you're one of my direct mentees, or you're an investor. All the above, you all have the same access to the same very spreadsheet that I'm sharing right now. Now, if you do not have access to the spreadsheet or you don't have it, you're not getting it currently, send us an email, the letter J at Garcia, GarciaMHU.com. You can send us an email, simply send us a request. Will you share the spreadsheet with us? We will know plenty much what you're talking about. But I wanted to break down why you want to be a part of this spreadsheet and why you want to be part of the calls every Tuesday. We are currently recording them and we do blast them on social media, especially on YouTube come Wednesday morning. That's not going to go on forever. It is going to get to a time where we're going to start making changes both on the spreadsheet and places where we share it. Bottom line is if you want to join the call, you got to be on the call. Okay. But so what do you get with these here, the spreadsheet? Okay. And I'm not going to go step by step on it. Again, request the sheet and you can go a little bit slower, your pace on the sheet. This spreadsheet is a very simple Excel where we have created tabs, as you can see on the bottom, and it's deal after deal. My goal is to have 100 deals on here. So meaning that each and every time you open the spreadsheet, you have 100 deals to choose from. We have well over 100 deals at this point, not listed on this sheet, but available. A lot of the deals that we get don't make it to the spreadsheet because they're as good as sold as soon as we get them. So again, one of the many reasons why you should be following up with us as well. Hey, I noticed you don't have any inventory in, example, Spartanburg, South Carolina at this time. Do you have any upcoming? Quick little check-in, quick little follow-ups like that we can give you access to. Maybe some stuff that a lot of people haven't gotten yet. It just all comes a lot of times with just what people suggest for or are in a demand for. So what do you get besides the deals? And I'm going to show you how to navigate the spreadsheet just a little bit and how to get to deals. Our credibility. Let me repeat that. Our credibility. I've been investing in mobile homes for over 7 years at this point. I have done many transactions. I do any and everything you can think of with a mobile home. We move them. We demo them. I hate that part. We demo them, but some of them got to be demo. Okay. We rehab them. We turn them into rentals, rent to own. We create Airbnb exit strategies now as well. Okay. There are so many exit strategies you can do within mobile homes, and another reason why you should join our coaching as well. Okay. We won't talk about that as much on this call, but all in all, with so many deals that we've done with so many park owners, so many park managers, so many people that we worked on, we have built what is called credibility. Okay. Pretend it's a resume of success. So when we venture into a new area, new market, new park manager, new park owner, and we connect with them, it is a lot easier for us to get into the door than the norm investor. Not to say that you cannot, but when we show our credibility and everybody we're working on, a lot of park owners ask for, give me a reference, give me somebody I can call, if you don't mind. We give them 10, 20 numbers. Go ahead and have at it because we know what our feedback is going to be. All good, and some of that great, right? That being said, is we have access to so much. Why do you have so many deals available? I didn't even realize so many deals were available in the market. I just told you, credibility. So when you come through us, okay, whether you're a GMHU student or you get one of our investments here, you immediately, automatically get the same credibility, okay? Another thing, okay, a lot of these deals, and here the bottom left corner, you tap on the 4 little lines. It's easier than trying to tap on these tabs after tabs. Again, this was a very simple process when we started. We never thought we'd get to this big and have so many deals available. We may change it in the near future. I do not know, but at this time, use the 4 little lines where you can just scroll. Yes, all those are deals and deals and deals and more deals, and I can keep showing you deals. Okay, what happens here is a lot with the deals here. Okay, let me just click on one of these. It's not going to matter. Okay, Warner Robins, Georgia, lot 2. What are some other pluses of getting deals through us here? Pre-due diligence. Somebody said, oh, you got something like a Zillow going on here. Nothing against Zillow. This is not a Zillow by any means at all. Okay, Zillow posts real estate typically, and it doesn't matter what they post or which stick bill, commercial, real estate, whatever it may be. But what they do not do is a whole lot of missed information, and it's because that's not their job. They're not there to do all the homework for you. We When I'm talking about pre-due diligence, I'm talking about verification of a lot of what an attorney or a firm and or a broker or realtor would do. Okay. Does this home have any liens on it? Okay. Is there any issues with the documents, with the state, with the county, with the management, with the park? Clean, 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 clean. Why? Because if it is not clean and clear, I don't want it on the spreadsheet bottom line. Oh, we run into many deals that they are great in number sense, but there are so many issues going on with that. It's not a deal. I don't want to embark myself in all kinds of crazy issues, and I don't want you to either way also. So we do a lot of the pre-due diligence on here that you don't have to do. That is huge. Okay. Somebody said I should be charging for the spreadsheet. Well, it's coming soon. It will. It is an access to a lot of deals that a lot of people are not taking advantage of. That's the unfortunate side, but it is going to get into that point where it is going to become members only. What am I saying? Get it while it's here and free available. My goodness, I would be, when I started 7 years ago, there was no me around. There was nobody offering deals after deals after deals. I thought every deal I got was the last deal I was ever going to have. I had a scarcity mentality, which didn't help at all, but I didn't know where the next deal was. I was very new, very green, and just kind of winging it. I hope it's okay kind of thing. There was no spreadsheet where I could come in and, Mr. J, let me get number 6, number 5, number 3, number 2. Give me number 1 while you're at 2. That's have it your way kind of thing, if you will. Let's keep going. Okay. If some of these homes, we have both a mixture of, and it's going to be a lot more mixture in here. Currently, what you see the majority of in the spreadsheet here, the deals are mobile homes inside of communities or mobile homes that have to be moved. We have started adding mobile homes on land, parcels, meaning almost like it depends if it is the title or not, package, what we call mobile home and land. We have a couple of mobile home parks on here. It's going to start getting into more and more. And that's what I'm talking about. The growth continues and it's going to continue to go on. But right now, the ones that are inside of parks, and it's typically what the majority of people start out with, okay, it's a mobile home inside a community park. They can come in, do a little bit of work, maybe rehab it to a living standard and rent it out, flip it, rent the own, whatever you decide exit strategy wise. But here's the thing. A lot of park owners, a lot of park managers don't believe in that concept. They don't really believe in you. They give you big flat no and just kind of keep moving. Okay. Follow up is key on that one, by the way. But with our units, especially like this one, let's make an example of lot number 19 in Albany. This is inside of a community park. So question comes around, well, do they allow me to self-leasing? Yes. Do they allow investors to invest in the park? Yes. Do they allow multiple exit strategies? Yes. So you see what we're doing here is, again, the credibility. We have come in and set the standard for all of us. Now, if it's good enough for me, it's good enough for all of you. That's the way I see it. Okay. It is all about giving back, helping each other, and we're all here to win. So let's win together, right? Yes. So all the above is, if it's on the spreadsheet, if it's in a community park, you are welcome. Bottom line. Okay. Let's keep going. So investor equipment, that's huge. You know, when I first started, I got so many no's. It is discouraging, to say the least. It is very discouraging, and you almost start wondering yourself, because everybody else don't wonders if you're going to make it. So the worst thing you can do is start giving yourself what is. So don't do that. But another thing, great off-market deals. Again, let's make an example on this one I'm showing. Is this on the market somewhere? Is it listed on Facebook Marketplace, Craigslist, Let Go, Classified, OfferUp, Zillow, Trulia? I can keep going. No, it is not. We have taken this off-market deal. It is actually somebody who is still living in the community, in the mobile home, and is getting ready to sell. So they put it on here. We have come in. We have put it under agreement. It's ours. Okay, that's the way we work. I do not deal with deals that are already out there. If you got a mobile home that is listed on social media somewhere, it is one or two things. It is not that great of a deal, or if it is, it's not going to last. I want off-market deals. Not everybody's fighting for it, and we get them quite easy. Bottom line. Okay. So off-market deals, you cannot beat that. Okay. Now, let me see. Okay, I was trying to. So we're going to start adding also tabs on this side here. Stay tuned. And that's the thing. Look, this sheet here, every time we save it, every time we come in and make any changes, whether we add something, take away, every time you open it, you are getting the latest and the greatest version, because it does save automatically. We are about to start putting a couple advertisements on the site as well, along with maybe if there's other areas nearby, like for instance, let's say Albany. Could there be a deal in Cordele, Georgia? Cordele is about 45 minutes from Albany. That is a nearby location. I want to also start listing on here, almost like how many people are interested in Cordele, for instance. And you can go on and almost like a boat thing, you can click. I want to add that to see how much interest there is in certain areas. There is so many markets, so many areas that we do not cover yet, and it's really because we have not gotten to it. Does not mean there's no good deals out there. There is deals everywhere. And reminder, mobile homes are nationwide. They're not in certain states. Oh, they don't have this in the state. Incorrect. They are from California over to Georgia, up to New York, and over back across. They are in every state, and yes, even into Canada. So maybe they're next. Who knows? Okay. Addition to, it gets better and better. That's what I'm saying. So one more thing that you can get. What if you are an investor? I like this number 19 right here. I'm ready to get started. I can put the sweat equity. I don't have money. There's nothing to be ashamed about. When I got started, I had no money. What's the money? Okay. Had no money. So that being said, is what if you're ready to put the sweat equity? You've done your homework. You have enough sense as to where to get started. If you should reach out to anybody, I'll offer coaching, by the way. Is there somebody that has money? Maybe we can partner up. Bingo. Yes, we do. One more thing we've started doing. We have many hard private money lenders. Okay. They don't want to do any sweat equity. They don't want to see the mobile home. They just want to see their returns, ROIs, returns on their investments. If it checks out, if the numbers are great, they're willing to invest right now and some yesterday. So that being said, if you're ready to put the sweat equity and you need a lender, reach out to us. We can connect you. And again, beautiful thing of working with us and working with GMHU, especially as a student, we're going to look out for you. Okay. If you're new to this investing, you haven't done a deal, maybe you've done a little real estate, something different, or you just flat out new. Okay. I am going to come on the spreadsheet and show you why I think certain deal may work out for you. What am I saying? I'm saying I know the level of your entry in the sense of how much skills you have. So I'm going to point out that something that is not going to break your back and give you headaches at night, right? We're trying to make this as most easiest as possible for you. But again, it takes reaching out to us. Give me your history up. And that's one of the first questions that me, myself, and our reps always ask is, have you invested in mobile homes? What is your level of expertise in mobile homes? How ready are you to invest in mobile homes? Those 3 questions, by the way, are 3 questions you should be asking every buyer. Tips, tips, tips. I can keep on coaching all day long. Okay. In a deal you can be coached on as well. So let's say now you got the money, you are ready to get started, but you don't know what the first step is. Really, you know that it's ugly and it needs to be pretty, but that's about where it ends. Yes, I can coach you on any and every deal. It does not have to be on a spreadsheet. You can come and bring me a mobile home with land that I've never heard about. That's plenty fine. To me, after 400 deals, transactions, that's just another mobile home. Okay, we figured out, and that's not to brag or say anything crazy about. Bottom line is anything you do over and over again, you can't help but to get a little better each and every time. It's called practice, and that's what we've done. Deal after deal is going to make us just a little bit better. Because remember, my best deal is yet to come. Okay, what my last deal gave me the best out of was learning education. What did I learn from that one that I can use on my next one and my next one and my next one? Okay, so we keep on going. I hope this video helps. The spreadsheet, that's the goal on here is that, look, we can offer these deals to any and everybody. We prefer to offer them to investors, especially to new and upcoming. Real estate is huge. It is continues to get bigger and bigger. Mobile homes, a lot of people still don't know. Mobile homes are the hidden side to real estate that a lot of people don't know. Low entry, low risk, and high rewards. You cannot beat the numbers, okay? It is not one is better than the other, but when it comes to numbers, mobile homes can give you from 4, 5, 6, and even 7 or plus 100 ROIs. Can't beat that, right? That being said, I'll leave you with that. If you are ready to get coached, if you want to join us or calls, visit GarciaMHU.com. Click on coaching, click on events, see what our upcoming events are. We do have a live event coming June 25th and 26th. You do not want to miss out on. So definitely stay tuned for that. And we announce, of course, on all of our calls also what it is to come. If you have any questions, like I mentioned earlier, visit GarciaMHU.com and or my email, j@GarciaMHU.com. Thank you for watching.